I've never lived like a movie star. I've never had boys and cars.
कल हमारी मॉडल्स को पोस्ट करना था दिल्ली की गर्मी को सिजलिंग बनाने के
I've
लिए।
never been wrapped in all the glamour.
और आज जजेस रनवे पर देखेंगे उनकी पिक्चर्स जो डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन घर जाएगा और कौन आगे बढ़ेगा।
Tell us honestly, is this the best you can do as far as looking sensuous is concerned?
पर उसके पहले हम दे रहे हैं अपनी मॉडल्स को कुछ टाइम अनवाइंड करने के लिए।
The major advice I would love to give to all the aspiring supermodels would be that keep your body toned and beautiful. From head to toe. Because that's the key to success, I believe, for a supermodel.
Stay fit, focused and confident.
We're turning heads.
For me, a supermodel is someone who stands out in a crowd. She may not look very sexy, she may not be beautiful, but so basically what I'm trying to say is, if you want to be a supermodel, be like me.
Just be confident. I think confidence is the key.
We'll never know. From Paris to Japan.
There's nothing as such one advice. It's a bunch of advices actually. So, but you need to understand, if you want to be a supermodel, act like one.
We're high class.
Stay fit, be yourself, love yourself and be confident.
So glamorous.
Hey, no fashion order. What do you think about the rain dance?
It was very cold. And it was late in the night, so I was literally shivering underwater.
I was scared because it was a night shoot and I've never done a night shoot before. And it was raining. You know, you like to do that whole Chandini thing, right? Like,
La 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 la.
But you know what? The best shot, I think it was by Radhika. She was feeling it. I could see that.
So I was just romancing with the lens. Someone taught me that and
Who's
I implemented it.
Who is that someone?
do you think there's going to be an elimination in fact?
Yes.
Of course there would be an elimination. And I'm scared also.
We're not always lucky, you know.
What's scared? You look so beautiful.
I think we're getting late for the runway. Let's go.
You walked into the room, I was consumed with lust for you. You saw me seeing you, but played it cool just like you do.
अब थोड़ी सी टेंशन शुरू हो रही है क्योंकि एलिमिनेशन राउंड इज राउंड द कॉर्नर. इट्स जस्ट इन फ्यू आवर्स, सो आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी फॉर दैट.
Pool party was amazing. It was fun. We all girls had a lot of fun there. So now I'm really stressful again. I'm stressed because the eliminations are going to happen. I hope the best one stays and the one who doesn't deserve goes out.
Welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Kingfisher Supermodels 3, the ultimate glam slam. We're down to just 6 girls now. We've seen them be fighters, princesses, artists, and so much more. But इस बार हम उनको देखना चाहते थे as their sexy, cool selves. Now that's not too much to ask for, is it? जिस मॉडल में है ये सब क्वालिटीज उसे मिलेगा बेस्ट पिक्चर ऑफ द डे एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक लड़की जाएगी घर. To make this decision, we have with us our resident judge and style guru, Mohan Neelkantan. Hey Mohan, excited for today?
Definitely. And this will be a natural to them, right? Sexy and cool.
I couldn't agree more. So I'm super excited for the show. So I'm going to come and join you right there while our girls take over this Kingfisher runway. Well, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मेरी बगल की कुर्सी खाली क्यों है. Well, इस हफ्ते हमारे गेस्ट जज जो आएंगे वो एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जो खुद सुपर मॉडल रह चुके हैं. He himself is a really renowned actor and a very, very dear friend. Please welcome on stage Dino Moria.
Check it. Yeah.
That's what I call a supermodel.
That's me, baby.
Dino, thank you so much. It's so wonderful to have you with us.
Thank you, Neha. Good to be here. Mohan, namaskaram.
How are you doing? Namaskaram.
सब
आप
ठीक
कैसे
ठाक?
हैं?
मैं तो बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ.
Well, you've come back after so many years on the show. You came on season 1 and now you're
Yeah.
back. But you know, Dino, I have to tell you that we've been here about 6 weeks now. We've had girls fall sick. They've even fainted on stage.
As long as they're having fun, then it's okay.
Well, they are having fun, but they'd like to have some more fun. And that's
why I'm here.
Yes, so you have a job to do. So you've got to make sure that these girls have fun tonight.
Yeah, we'll make sure they have a lot of fun.
Excellent. So it would be great if you could do us the honors and walk down the ramp with each of our supermodels, please.
Okay then, let's do it.
All right, excellent.
not?
You're such a sport.
Say it loud. You can do it. Say it loud. Just say it loud. Just say it loud. Say it loud. Just say it loud. Say it loud. Say it loud. You can go through all your life not being who you are, but that will take you far. Maybe easy at the start. Make a stand and hold your ground and no one put you down. Don't let the crowd hold your head. Say it loud. Say it loud. You can do it. Just say it loud. Say it loud. Say it loud. I'm so happy. I'm so free. Stepping out to my own beat. 'Cause I'm so crazy about me. Put my hands up to the sky. Feeling good and so alive. 'Cause I'm so crazy about me. I'm so happy. I'm so free. Stepping out to my own beat. 'Cause I'm so crazy about me. Put my hands up to the sky. Feeling good and so alive. 'Cause I'm so crazy about me.
You're just the best. You're such a charmer.
I know.
You made our day.
Thank
and
you.
Aishwarya, you've already won your prize for tonight. Now, I know, Dino, you're really enjoying yourself over there, but please come this side. We've got some work to do.
Pretty please.
Pretty please.
Good luck, ladies.
Girls, I have to say, you look extremely stunning and sexy in this beautiful outfits by Malini Ramani and this lovely jewelry by Chirya. You know what, Dino? After all that fun, should we get down to some serious work?
Let's get down to it.
Okay. Mohan,
Right
you
now.
ready?
Yes, as always.
As always. Mohan, you're always ready. Okay, let's have our first girl, Medika. Medika, good evening. You look amazing.
Thank you so much.
I didn't even know you had a sexy side. Dino,
Yeah,
doesn't she look sexy?
absolutely.
Yeah, he was
Just-
quiet. He didn't even say
Yeah,
anything. He
I'm just
stared.
observing.
What were your thoughts before you got into the shoot? I know there was water. It was a bit tricky.
I think I have given a few good shots because the photographer was happy while shooting me.
So, let's see the pictures, Mohan, before we decide.
Yeah.
I love the neon color bikini on your skin tone. I feel like your skin looks amazing. I mean, it's all just working out. As far as that shot is concerned, I think it's great. Tina, what do you think?
You're absolutely right. The way you held yourself also in most of the pictures, the length of body is really beautiful and well toned.
I think she's worked on her facial expressions as well, right?
Yeah.
I think they kind of, she's sizzling.
That was exactly what the brief was. It was about being sultry and being effortlessly sexy, because sexy is a very sort of dangerous word, you know. It shouldn't borderline being vulgar, but this is just sensual and it's beautiful. It's a spectacular shot.
Thank you so much.
Reena.
The photographs for me are just great. They're really nice.
The whole brief was effortlessly sexy, and I feel they're sexy, but I
But there's
feel
little effort. You
there's a
feel?
lot of effort there. You know, like I
Just-
just feel like it's too much.
I know,
It's-
yeah, I know what you're saying. When you have everything, you've got the features, you've got the look, you've got the skin, you've got the body. You don't have to do too much. Then it becomes totally effortless.
There's that fine line which I think in these pictures, I like them, but I think it just crossed that a little bit and taken it to one step more than needed.
Alright.
What do you think about your photographs, Reena?
I agree with you.
As far as I'm concerned, she's got the tick mark for sensual and sexy. The only thing is it's not effortless, but that's not a bad thing at all. Thank you very much, Reena.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Good luck.
She's holding herself back in these pictures.
Tell us honestly, is this the best you can do as far as looking sensuous is concerned?